I feel like I look tan, but I'm not tan, so this is kind of weird for me. Hey everyone, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here and have never seen my face before, hi, I'm Keegan. It's really nice to meet you. You should subscribe because I have a lot of really exciting back to school videos coming up and I'm like really excited about it. There we go. Speaking of back to school videos, this one is my first back to school video. I feel like we need a name for my back to school series, so comment your ideas down below. Look at my arm jiggle. Do your arms jiggle? So this video is going to be a school supplies haul, which is without a doubt my favorite back to school video of all time. I don't know why, but I love, like, why am I doing this with my hands? I love school supplies videos. I don't know why, there's just something about it. Like, I'm not a big fan of school supplies though. On the other hand, like, Jesus loves school. What did I just say? Jesus loves school supplies? No, just rewind. I went to Target because I love Target for my school supplies, so I always get a lot of questions about this. My most viewed video is my school supplies haul from when I was a freshman and I had just gotten my wisdom teeth taken out. I was really awkward. I can't watch that video without cringing. But I went to Target, so all the supplies is from Target. Even though I say that, I still get a lot of questions about like where something is from. It's from Target. It's so far. Oh my God, I'm falling. I'm gonna start with this bag. I'm gonna start with this because it's really the only cute thing that I got. This is a planner. It's by Designer Series and it's gold dots on it, which I thought was really cute, and it just has planny stuff on it. I'm not like a big planner person. I don't plan out my day. If I do, I would write it in the notes of my phone, but I like to have a visual sense for like my homework. I'm a very visual person when it comes to learning. So if I don't write something down, I will probably forget it. So I always like to write my homework in a planner, but I normally forget about this halfway through the year. But the first half of the year it really helped, and this one is so cute. I got 2 of these folders. I got more, but there's just 2 right here. So I really like the 5-star ones. They're not as cute. I saw a lot of really cute ones. Let's try that again. I saw a lot of cute ones at Target, but the reason I got these is first off, they're 5-star, so they're like amazing. I don't know what this is. They didn't have these last year. Just like the 5-star ones because they're durable. They're plastic, which I really like because the paper ones or the cardboardish type, they kind of tear, and if water gets on them, they get ruined. So I like the more plastic durable ones, and even though they're not as cute, they last longer. I also got a few more of those. I got a darker blue one, a black one to match my soul, a white one to match my skin tone. If you think I'm kidding about me being like, look, this is tan for me. I am so close to that color. Pale people probs. I'm taking a Spanish class and you have to have a binder for it. So I got this one. I really hope it's the right size. I got a 1.5 inch binder, and I also got tab dividers because you need those for the class. At least that's how my Spanish class was last year. I also have another class that I know needs a binder, but I wasn't sure what size, so I just didn't get it, and I'll get it later. This is for my Spanish class. Anyone wants to pretend to be me and take Spanish, please do. Thank you. I also got reinforced paper. I like the reinforced kind because, I don't know, I just do. My reasoning is so great. Also got some notebooks. I got 4 of them because I thought there'd only be 4 classes that I needed a notebook for. I like this kind that's more plastic because, like I said, the cardboardish ones kind of get ruined very easily. A purple one, blue one, pink one, and a black one, again, to match my soul. And we're into the second bag. Woohoo! Probably my favorite thing for school supplies. I love highlighters. I love highlighters. I don't know why, but I do. If you've watched any of my school supplies videos, you know that I despise the color orange. Like, I just don't like orange. I never use it. I've said I don't like orange before, and people have literally like gotten insulted that I said I don't like orange. These are my favorite pencils. They're by Papermate. They're just cute, and I like that they're more durable. I break these like every other week. I'm not even kidding, but I love them. I just break everything in my life. And apparently everyone in my class thinks I'm the class supplier, so I always get these pencils to give to people, which I always say I'm gonna give them these pencils, but I end up giving them these ones and I never get them back. If you go to my school, please do not ask me for a pencil. Please don't. I also got some pens. I got a black one, a blue one, and a red one. Also got lead for my pencils because I always run out of lead. And again, I'm the class supplier. And this one comes with red lead, which is really cool, and I've never seen red lead before, but lead. Also got this little box. It's called the pencil box. I thought it was cute, but these break so easily on me. I'm not even kidding. I probably break these after a quarter. They just fall apart, but it's fine. It's fine. Also got glue sticks. If you know me, I got the purple kind. You've seen any of my other school supplies videos. I made a point to get the purple glue stick. The purple one this time. But no one likes when I talk about glue sticks, so. Also got color pencil because even though I'm in high school, the teachers still make us do stuff where we color. I don't know why. That's it. Really all I need now is a backpack, and I need to figure out what kind of other binder I need, but I think I got everything. Thumbs up if you like back to school videos, and comment what you think my back to school series should be called. Subscribe if you're not already, and you can follow me on social media. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!